Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Tax-Smart Wealth Plan for self-employed investors and how self-employed investors can manage dividend income, taxes, retirement contributions, and long-term wealth more effectively. To begin with, self-employed investors often have multiple income sources, so the first step is to track everything clearly. This may include business income, salary draws, freelance earnings, and dividend income from brokerage accounts. By keeping business income and investment income organized, it becomes easier to estimate taxes, plan cash flow, and avoid confusion during filing season. Therefore, good bookkeeping is the foundation of a tax-smart wealth plan. Next, it is important to know your dividend types. Qualified dividends may receive lower tax rates when the required rules are met, while ordinary dividends are usually taxed at regular income tax rates. Because of this, you should review whether your dividends come from stocks, ETFs, funds, or other investments, and check the holding period rules carefully. As a result, understanding dividend classification can help you plan more accurately. After that, choose tax-efficient accounts. Self-employed investors may have access to retirement options such as SEP IRA, Solo 401k, or Roth accounts when eligible. These accounts can help support long-term wealth building and may provide tax advantages depending on the account type. For example, some accounts may help defer taxes, while Roth options may support tax-free qualified withdrawals later. So, matching the right account with your income and goals is an important part of the plan. Then, plan for estimated taxes. Since self-employed investors may not have enough tax withheld automatically, quarterly tax payments may be needed. Dividend income should also be included when projecting total tax due. In addition, withholding, credits, and other income sources should be reviewed so you can reduce the risk of underpayment penalties. With proper planning, quarterly taxes become easier to manage instead of becoming a last-minute burden. Moving forward, reinvest dividends strategically. If you are focused on long-term compounding, reinvesting dividends can help grow your portfolio over time. However, if you need cash for taxes, business expenses, or living costs, taking some dividends as cash may be more practical. Therefore, the best approach depends on your liquidity needs, income stability, and investment goals. It is also wise to review fund overlap and fees so your reinvestment strategy stays efficient. In addition, manage retirement contributions carefully. Self-employed investors may be able to make contributions that support retirement savings and may reduce taxable income when appropriate. However, contribution limits and eligibility rules must be reviewed each year. By coordinating business cash flow with investing goals, you can balance today's tax planning with tomorrow's retirement security. Another key step is to protect cash flow and risk. Because self-employed income can change from month to month, it is important to keep reserves for taxes, business needs, and emergencies. At the same time, diversifying dividend holdings across sectors may reduce the risk of relying too much on one income source. Avoiding unsustainable high yields is also important, because a very high yield can sometimes signal higher risk. Finally, review and adjust the plan annually. Your income, tax bracket, dividend mix, business situation, and investment goals can all change over time. For this reason, reviewing your records, beneficiaries, account choices, and dividend strategy every year can help keep your plan aligned. A qualified tax professional may also help you understand how self-employment taxes, dividend taxes, and retirement accounts fit together in your personal situation. In summary, a strong dividend tax-smart wealth plan for self-employed investors starts with tracking income carefully, understanding dividend types, choosing the right accounts, planning quarterly taxes, reinvesting wisely, managing retirement contributions, protecting cash flow, and reviewing the plan every year. This content is for educational purposes only and is not tax, financial, or investment advice. Tax treatment depends on income, account type, jurisdiction, and individual circumstances, so consider consulting a qualified tax professional for personalized guidance. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.